In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage your restaurant's menu using Wix. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to set up their online presence and allow for easy access to their restaurant's offerings. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to Wix.com and log into your account. Starting from the dashboard is your gateway to making everything else happen. Once logged in, you'll want to look for the Edit Site option. Clicking on this will take you to your site editor, which is where all the magic really begins. Once you're on your site editor page, find the Add Apps button, which looks like a plus sign. Clicking this will open up a world of possibilities as you skim through the available apps. For today's purpose, search for Wix Restaurants. Here, you can choose among options such as Wix Restaurants Orders, which is great if you're planning to allow online orders, or Wix Restaurants Menus. If you simply aim to display your menu online, choose the one that best suits your needs and add it to your site. After you've added the appropriate app, look for the Wix Restaurants Menus, which will likely be updated as a new feature. Click on it and you'll be guided through adding it to your site. To efficiently manage your menu, navigate to the Menu Manager through the Wix Editor dashboard. You can do this by going to Site Dashboard, then Apps, and finally Wix Restaurants. When you're there, select Menus and either create a brand new menu from scratch or modify an existing one. It's up to you. Inside the menu manager, you'll see an option to add sections or categories, which is an excellent way to organize your dishes. Think of naming them as you would on a menu, such as appetizers or main courses. Each section will represent a category viewers can easily navigate through on your page. Now, under each section you've created, remember to add individual dishes. Click the option to add dish and fill in all the crucial information like the item name, a savory description, the price, and if you're aiming for a visual appeal, an appetizing picture. As you add items, keep in mind the option to highlight specials or chef's picks by using labels. This can also extend to grouping items under dietary categories like vegetarian or gluten-free and arranging them via a simple drag and drop functionality. If you wish to enable online ordering, go to Wix Restaurants Orders and set pickup, delivery, or dine-in options. Ensure you've established the necessary settings like hours and payment methods to ensure smooth operation. Finally, once everything is set up beautifully, it's time to preview. Hit the preview button to see how your menu looks both on desktop and mobile views. Test by placing a sample order if you've enabled online ordering. This ensures functionality across the board. Once you're satisfied, click Publish to make it live and share your creative culinary brilliance with the world. With these steps, you're all set on the path to a stunning, user-friendly online menu.